Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll talk about isometric drawings in AutoCAD. So to start isometric drawing in AutoCAD, the first thing you need to do is to turn isometric drafting on. So all I need to do is to click it and it turns on. If I don't see isometric drafting icon here, I'll need to go to customization and then look for it, look at it here, and then enable it. And there's a flyout beside the isometric icon. You can see isoplane left, isoplane top, and isoplane right. So to proceed, let me set my isoplane to left. We'll draw a line of length 80, 15, 80, and then set to close. And then let me go to right. A line of 20, then 15, and that's it. From here, 20, 20, 20, 15, 20, 15. Let me cross a line this way and then move the line. We go to move, select the objects, press enter. For the base point, let me click anywhere. Move it towards this side by 20. Let me take this back to top. I'll move on to right again. So I'll move from here upwards 25 and then across 30 and then stop there. 20, 30, and so that's it. So all I need to do is to trim off here and here, and then I need connection here as an edge. Yes, that's it. And then here, this is 20. So I'll stop there. So here we have a isometric arc. So for me to get that, all I need to do is to go to get elliptic arc from ellipse. From the flyout there, you see elliptic arc. Click on it, and then choose from the parameters, choose iso circle. Let me just change my isoplane to top. I'll pick here. Starting angle should be here. I'll click here, and then ending angle should be here. So I have my iso arc. So all I need to do is to remove this and then copy this arc to the downside and trim off here. So that's it. Let's start from here. So let me go to left, isoplane left, and then start my drawing. From here to here is 80. Yes, start with 80 and then 60. So here is 40 and here is 15. So 40, 15, this is 25, this is 30, this is 25, this is 15, here is 22, here is 22, and 15. Let's close this. We'll come back here. 22, 15. Let's close this as well. Let me bring it down. This is 25. let's complete this, and then complete this. This is 25, as well as let's check the drawing again. 30. So this is 25, this is 60, and this is 25. Let's close the loop and then move this to the intersection. And I'll draw a line from here across, then draw a line from here across, right? Then I'll trim off here, and then go to my ISO circle, elliptic arc, sorry, then ISO circle. Center of the circle should be here. I forgot actually to flip my ISO plane to the top. ISO circle, the center should be here, radius is this, and the starting angle from here to here is fine with me. So I can easily remove this. So let me use copy, select this, press enter, base point should be here, and then I'll move it by 40. Yeah, 40. Draw my line from here to this point. Draw my line from here to this point, and then start my line all the way to this tangent from here. Choose ISO circle. Here's the center. Radius is 10. Starting angle is here, and then ending is here, as you can see. So I can now use trim to trim off here, trim off here. I don't really need trim for this. All I need to do is to delete it, and my drawing is complete. Let me click on Dimension 2 from the Annotate tab in the Dimensions panel, and then let me pick this one out. Okay, this. Okay, I think that's about it. And then if you look at these dimensions, you can see that the alignment is not good. So for me to align them properly, I'll type in dim edit. You can see it here. Click on it, and then the prompt is enter type of dimension editing. You have home, new, rotate, oblique. Let me click on oblique and select object. So let me just select one object, and then let me select everything at once. This, this, and that's all, and then enter. It's not asking me for the dimension angle, so let me type in 30, enter. So 30, you can see that some got aligned very well, others are not aligned as required. So all I need to do is to re-execute my dim edit, oblique, and then select those ones. This time around, instead of 30, I'll provide -30, and that's it. Thanks for watching.